Ready to transform your cooking? Today, we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1, the ultimate kitchen upgrade for 2025. This isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a game changer offering 9 essential cooking functions in one sleek appliance. Imagine pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, making yogurt, sterilizing, and so much more, all from a single pot. With 15 customizable smart programs, dinner is practically on autopilot. Perfect for busy weeknights or mastering new recipes. Want to perfectly cook rice, make delicious soup, or sterilize baby bottles? Just push a button. Plus, the durable stainless steel inner pot means healthy cooking and super easy cleanup. A definite win in any kitchen. It's truly what makes this model stand out from other pressure cookers, offering unmatched versatility and reliability for your everyday meals. If you're looking for the best kitchen appliance to simplify your life and expand your culinary horizons, this is it. Click the link in the description to grab your own Instant Pot Duo Plus on Amazon and start cooking smarter today. Seriously, for delicious, effortless meals in 2025 and beyond, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is my top recommendation.